Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. So, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you beautiful hairdos. I hope you will enjoy these hairdos. These are the basically for brides, mothers, hairdos, and also for the groom mothers. I hope you will enjoy these hairstyles. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. These all are the beautiful and decent hairdo I have shared in this video. If you have any occasion of your daughter or your boy, you can copy these hairstyles. So friends, if you like these hairstyles, then hit the like button, and if you wanna more see designs related to brides mothers or grooms mothers dresses designs, and if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel. There I have shared lots of designs related that topics. I hope you will enjoy those ideas as well. You can check these ideas in playlist back to back for back to back videos, and I have shared a lots of nail art designs and brides mothers dresses designs and other accessories I have shared in on my channel in videos. I hope you will like those ideas as well. So visit on my channel once, and if you have any kind of demand related to any design, you can write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. And also tell me about today's video in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe it. Now let me say to take care of yourself. Bye bye.